When you're looking at a ducted split heat pump, you aren't just buying a box, you're buying the lungs of your home. I spent years as a nuclear power electrician before I traded the reactors for the dirt and attics of HVAC service. If there's one thing I've learned in 17 years, it's that the best unit on paper isn't always the one that survives a hailstorm or a power surge. Today, we're doing a fair apple-to-apple comparison between the Carrier Comfort 16 27SCA5 and the Goodman GSZH5. Both of these sit in the basic single-stage tier, but they are built for very different conditions. Let's talk physical protection because your mower doesn't care how much you paid for your heat pump. The Carrier Comfort 16 features a wire mesh coil guard. It's a clean look, but it leaves those delicate aluminum fins exposed to hail or rocks kicked up by the weed eater. On the other side, the Goodman GSZH5 comes standard with a heavy gauge louvered steel coil guard. In my experience, those louvers act like superior armor for your coil. I've seen louvered units take a beating and keep running, while wire mesh units end up with flattened fins that choke out your airflow and kill your efficiency. Since I used to work on nuclear grids, I look at the electrical side of these machines closely. Both of these are single-stage units, which means they are either 100% on or 100% off. The Carrier Comfort 16 pulls an 8.1 HSPF2 rating, while the Goodman GSZH5 comes in at 7.8 HSPF2. They are both efficient, but neither comes with a compressor blanket standard. Without that blanket, you're going to hear that single-stage compressor bark every time it kicks on in the middle of the night. If you're sensitive to noise, you'll want to ask your installer about adding a sound jacket after the fact. Have you ever had a coil fail because of hail or a stray rock from a mower? It's a $2,000 mistake you don't want to make. Tell me your stories in the comments below. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Carrier offers their standard 10-year parts limited warranty. It's solid, but it's parts only. Goodman, however, has a history of standing behind their equipment with a bit more muscle. For the GSZH5, you get that 10-year parts warranty, but if that compressor fails, you need to know who is really going to have your back. While neither of these basic models offers a full unit replacement like their premium cousins, the build quality on the Goodman gives you a better chance of never needing that warranty in the first place. If we're looking at build quality and protection, Goodman wins with that louvered cabinet. For electrical efficiency, Carrier takes a slight lead on the heating side with that 8.1 HSPF2. But for most homeowners, the added protection of the Goodman GSZH5 makes it the field-tested winner for a basic system that's going to live outside in the real world. To shop like a pro, head over to the HVAC for Beginners website and use my head-to-head tool to compare over 170 models. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.